Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add WhatsApp chat on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here, you're going to find content, analytics, and here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your apps. So basically, guys, in order to get the WhatsApp chat, go ahead and click on apps. And then here, you're going to find all of your installed apps. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. So right now, go ahead and click on all recommended apps. Then once you're here in the bottom, you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here, just go to the top. You're going to find the search bar. Give it a click and then search for WhatsApp chat. As that, hit enter, and then you're going to find all of these results for your search. So right now, go ahead and choose the application that you like. That is, for example, this application, WhatsApp chat button by RQ. So we're going to choose this application. Once you click on the application, you're going to find yourself here in the app page. So once here, you're going to find the option to install the app. Just click on install right here, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So once you're here, click again on install, and then just wait for it to be added to your dashboard. As you can see, guys, it's added right here. You can pin it if you want. And here is the option to enable the WhatsApp chat button. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.